always good. Hey, Mom.
Okay, go.
Okay, guys, it's time for mukbang. It's time to eat. Come on, guys, mukbang. Kaon, pabhak. Come on.
What did you?
Can somebody bless the food, guys, first? Who's gonna? You're gonna lead the prayer, Allison. Just give some grace to the food.
Can you stop?
Okay, it's you, Ali. Just thank you for the food.
Thank you for the food. Thank you for the study.
Thank you.
For this family.
Thank you.
Amen.
Okay. Amen. Okay. Go start now, guys. So we're doing mukbang. Can you say mukbang?
Mukbang.
How about you, Isaac?
Mukbang.
Gideon? Oh my God, Gideon can speak good.
Seriously? Why does the rice feel like it's burning?
That rice is the Indian rice. Gideon, Gideon, stop it. Just eat, Gideon. Gideon, what are you eating, Gideon? Can you tell me what is that? Gideon, what is that? Sausage.
Egg roll.
Very
This
good.
is very soft.
Yeah. So the banana leaves you put in the
Mom,
fire.
you cooked this, right?
Yeah, the banana
this.
leaves, yeah. You're gonna have to put in the
This
fire.
is banana leaves?
Yeah, that's banana leaves. Do you know what is the banana tree? Did you see those?
Never.
Oh, I'm sure you saw those when you were in the Philippines.
Mom.
Mm.
Nope. You know, like the banana leaves. So like the sweet rice, right? So you put like sweet rice and banana. So you put like sweet rice and banana leaves. You wrap it up.
Yeah, and that smells so good, right? Did you like those?
And then we put your sugar. It tastes really good.
Yeah, it is really good. It smells so good too. Like when you put this in the fire, it smells so good. The banana leaves.
Mama, did that?
Yeah.
No, don't.
Oh, Isaac gave this to me.
I want to lose it. Alright, let me keep. Just do those, okay? I'm gonna make another channel called, never mind. I didn't know. So I did.
Who likes to swim in the beach?
Me!
I think Gideon's rice is still there.
I'm running out of rice. Mama,
Guys, I'm hungry looking at you.
I want to try this.
Oh yeah, get it. That's a mang inasal chicken. How is the chicken, Ali?
Spicy.
Spicy.
Okay, it's spicy. Okay, spicy. Way too much black pepper. Seriously? There's black pepper in there? Of course. Why is this kind of wet? Is it egg juice? Okay.
It's not really wet.
Yes, it is. It's kind of.
Gabriela is our
Oh,
own
this
mukbang too.
Is this
Oh, she's done eating? Gabriela is? I think she's gonna eat more.
Just one second.
I think I'm gonna stick with the sausages for now.
Why don't you try the pancit?
Bye, guy. Bye-bye. Oh, I like it. I like it.
Make it. You sit there.
Gabriella coming.
No, Gabby wants to join.
Weird. After this egg roll, I'm full.
Your phone now? Okay.
After the egg roll.
After the egg roll.
This was your
I'm
chance.
literally on no.
You keep on doing it. Yeah, it does hurt, doesn't it? I told you stop.
No, dropping rice on the ground.
Yeah.
A lot. You gotta eat the egg roll and rice should be good. I ate the rice and the egg roll.
Yeah. Allison didn't eat the egg roll yet. See that? Isaac is done with the egg roll.
I'm almost. I'm almost done.
Yeah, you're almost done.
Yeah, more into sausages.
Fine, fine.
This is the fa-fa.
So how was the party yesterday, guys?
Yeah. And I do it, bro. I'm just saying.
Okay.
What was the most fun part?
I'm just sick. Didn't opening my toys.
Oh, okay. So how do you guys like living in the city of Chicago? How do you like living in city life?
No, all the beaches are closed. Every
It's kind of
single
tough
one.
right now, yeah. But when the beaches are open, it's pretty fun.
Bye.
Bye guys, there's still a lot of leftover.
I can turn it on now.
Yeah.
Chicken is spicy. I don't like egg rolls. No, no. More this.
That's Gabby here, mukbang.
Ah. Fuck.